All right, guys. So I was just there sitting my somewhere, and all of a sudden this question popped in my head, which I wanted to ask you guys. Definitely, how stressful it is to sit in TroTro or use TroTro, which is public transport. But TroTro is one of the cars police always arrest them on the road for so many reasons. And I keep asking myself this question again. Why is it that police more TroTro? I may be a market, I'm a first aid kit, yo. Hello, I'm an inspector, fire extinguisher, TroTro. In Akwekudan. Is it that they are exempted from the law? Okay, I'm a car, okay, touch all the time. First aid kit, kits, akawumi. Hello, they shouldn't use fire extinguisher because nearly in this country, a more private car, these things are inspected. So why is that TroTro drivers say, I mean, is it that they are different or what? Because sometimes over TroTro and then look back born because of you need someone to climb, you are getting down, climbing, going in and all that, and then you end up either getting a cut or like Omamapo alo talino blah. I don't know. Share in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Because Charlie, let's start Ghana police and other authorities in charge so that we start enforcing fire extinguisher and then first aid kits in TroTro. This is TroTro Diary. See you.